Ever found yourself scrolling through endless streaming services, wondering if the grass is truly greener on the other side? You see a show everyone's talking about, a movie that looks right up your alley, and you think, should I subscribe? But then that little voice pops up, what if I don't like it? That's where the magic of a free trial comes in, right? It's like dipping your toes in the water before taking the plunge. So, if you've been eyeing Neon, the streaming service that's been making waves with its diverse library of movies, TV shows, and live sports, you might be asking the same question a lot of people are. Does Neon offer a free trial? It's a fair question. In today's world of countless entertainment options, trying before buying can save you some serious cash and prevent subscription fatigue. Let's dive into what Neon currently offers. As of today, May 11th, 2025, Neon in New Zealand does indeed provide a free trial for new subscribers. This trial period typically lasts for 7 days, giving you a full week to explore their content library and see if it aligns with your viewing preferences. During this trial, you get complete access to everything Neon has to offer, from the latest blockbuster movies and binge-worthy TV series to live sports events and exclusive content. You can stream on multiple devices, just like a regular paying subscriber. Now, it's always a good idea to double-check the specifics directly on Neon's official website. Streaming service offers can sometimes change, and there might be specific terms and conditions associated with the free trial. For instance, you might need to provide your payment details when you sign up, but rest assured, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. If you decide Neon isn't for you, simply cancel your subscription before the 7 days are up, and you won't incur any charges. It's that straightforward. This free trial period is a fantastic opportunity to really get a feel for the platform. You can check out the picture and sound quality on your devices, see how user-friendly the interface is, and most importantly, binge-watch those shows everyone's been raving about. Perhaps there's a classic movie you've been meaning to revisit, or maybe you're keen to catch the latest episode of a trending series. The free trial allows you to do all of that without any initial commitment. So, to answer your question directly, yes, as of now, Neon in New Zealand does offer a 7-day free trial for new subscribers. It's your chance to experience everything Neon has to offer risk-free. Take advantage of it, explore their content, and decide if it's the right streaming service for you. Remember to check their official website for the most up-to-date information on their trial offer and any associated terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.